How to speed up Telegram downloads. If there's a certain file somebody sent which is in gigabytes and that you want to download it, but your download is actually quite slow for any sort of reason, the first thing you have to basically check for this is your internet connection, because the primary reason to speed up the download is by simply checking your internet connection. If you have a faster internet, by default you're going to be able to download things faster. Second thing, whilst you're downloading a certain media on a chat that someone sent you, do not switch away from that chat. If you remain on that chat, that particular file is still going to remain downloaded, versus when you switch it, there are chances of it missing else or Telegram will simply stop downloading it. Another thing is that I'm not promoting any Telegram Premium, but unfortunately, one of the other ways that you can increase your Telegram speed is by getting Telegram Premium. So you can go to Telegram Premium and you can see basically faster download speed. So no more limits on the speed in which media and documents are downloaded. This is one of the features that they offer. So if it is really a necessity, you can consider Telegram Premium as well. So this way you can speed up Telegram downloads. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.